hair? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Allie, where's your ears? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Show me where your teeth are. That's your tongue.
Tongue.
Where's your hands?
Hand.
Where's your feet?
Feet.
Good girl. Where's your belly button?
Pudding.
Where's your arms?
Arm.
Where's your legs?
Egg.
Where's your legs?
Shoe.
Your toes? Where's your fingers?
Hand.
Fingers. Where's your cheeks?
Cheek.
Good girl. Where's your eyebrows?
Nose.
Where's your chin?
Chin.
Right here? Look, chin.
Chin.
Where's your elbow?
Apple.
Right here, elbow.
Apple.
Where's your knees?
Knees.
Good girl. Say